Hello, my name is Payton, and today I'm doing the Starbucks organization. And as your coffee master, I'm going to teach you how to do latte art. So follow me here, back to the floor. Right, first things first, since we have the mugs right now in terms of the Starbucks Corporation, so I'm going to teach you guys how to do some of the the art to make customer feel more connected and experience. So usually to the shots, I'm going to do like a mocha latte, so you can kind of see. Use a little bit more milk. Okay, while we wait for the milk to steam. It is slightly foggy. One of the steaming one here is a bit difficult to get it really smooth, but okay. Alright. Before pouring latte art, make sure you swirl and tap to get the silky smooth rim, the shiny part on the outside. And while you're swirling, you also want to swirl the espresso too, so it gets like that. When you create the latte art, it creates more smoother patterns. So first things first, hold about 45-degree angle and start pouring in slowly. You want to pause for a second and start pouring really fast. And that is some type of heart shape. And for the art, so it's really hard to make a defined art like because of the picture, but once you get around the shape, you just serve it to the customer. So hot mocha.